This is ETprepper. I want to show you something. I just got done putting on, well, besides ruining the lawn, I just got done putting a extra fuel tank on my truck. Why would I do that? I just built that truck bed, by the way. But, so why? Why do I want this 100-gallon fuel tank? Well, I have to go to New Mexico and get a load of belongings and do the clothes on the house and stuff like that. So who cares? Just get fuel along the way. What if I can't get fuel along the way? It's getting to the point where this nation is in very big turmoil. Shut things down and I'm in the middle and I can't get fuel. I got that. So that is why I'm doing this. I'm making sure I at least have fuel and I don't have to stop if need be. This is a lot of effort to do that, but it's a long walk if I can't, or get stuck for a month or who knows what. Anyway, that's the thinking behind this, adding a fuel tank to this this truck temporarily. But you got to think about, are you ready? Are you prepared for what may be coming our way? We've got there's just so much coming, and you just have to get ready in every way you can. And I'm doing the best I can and wrapping up this move. I'm glad I'm getting it done now. I think we're in for a world of hurt. So folks, all I can do is encourage you to prepare whatever makes sense for you, but do something. Don't just look at your computer screen and watch it happen and then it comes to your door. You don't want that. If it comes to your door, you want to be ready for it. So that's the thought here. So hopefully that makes some sense to you and you have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell, and then you'll get updates. I plan on doing more. I've been off for a while. I apologize for that. I've had people asking me where I'm at and the move and this, that, and the other thing. And the wife still has cancer and we've got challenges, but you know what? You take one day at a time and you roll with the punches. And hopefully you perceive a punch coming like I'm talking about here. And so if there's an emergency, I just sidestepped it. If I can't get fuel, I can keep rolling because it's 1,300 miles. All right, have a great day.